Unveiling the layers of I'm bored in English. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used phrase in English, I'm bored. This may seem straightforward, but there's a bit more to it than meets the eye. So, if you find yourself reaching for this phrase, stick around to discover what it really conveys and how to express it with nuance in various contexts. Let's get started. I'm bored is a phrase we use to express a feeling of not being entertained, engaged, or interested in our current situation. It's important to understand that being bored doesn't necessarily mean that there's nothing to do. Rather, it can indicate that none of the available options are appealing to the person at the moment. The components of boredom, lack of interest, the activities or surroundings don't engage the person's attention. Feeling unchallenged, the tasks at hand may not be stimulating or demanding enough. Temporary state. Boredom is usually a passing feeling, often relieved by a change of activity or focus. Boredom is a personal and subjective feeling, so it's important to use this phrase in appropriate contexts to avoid misunderstanding or offending someone. Context matters. Social situations, saying, I'm bored, at a friend's party might seem rude. Instead, you might say, I'm looking for something exciting to do. At work or school. In professional or educational settings, expressing boredom outright can seem unprofessional or disrespectful. You could phrase it as, I'm seeking more challenging tasks. It's useful to have other expressions in your linguistic toolkit to convey boredom without using the word itself. I'm looking for a change of pace. I could use some excitement. This doesn't quite capture my interest. I'm in the mood for something different. These alternatives can convey your feelings of boredom more diplomatically, especially in situations where stating, I'm bored, directly might be considered impolite. And there you have it. Understanding and expressing boredom in English is all about recognizing the feeling and choosing the right words for the situation. Remember, it's not just about what you say but also about how and when you say it. We hope you found this explainer enlightening and that it adds another layer to your English communication skills. Keep learning, and never hesitate to find new ways to express your feelings in English. Until next time, stay curious and motivated. Goodbye.